how you dance.
Blue Healer Pop, who's always ready for an adventure. What's her name? Bluey, and the other is her sweet, energetic sister who never says no to a game of magic, xylophone, and a feather wand. Give your best dance. You know what? You have to give your best. Bluey and Bingo, there you go. Say hi to all my friends, Bluey and Bingo. Okay, see Bluey and Bingo. Bingo, Bluey, so look a little bit to your right over here because we are going to play a game with you. Wonderful, that's perfect, Bluey. We are going to play the freeze dance. Do you know how to play the game? Give your best dance. You know what? You have to give your best because there's a judge looking for the best dancer, okay? That includes all my friends at the back. Don't worry. This game is for everyone, okay? So for this game, we are going to do 3 special steps, okay? All right.